Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2016 Ford Transit. So from any screen you can either go to menu, this is a long way around, and go to sync settings. In order to select the settings you have to use this. I always have a habit of pressing the volume button, but sync settings, okay. If you're having any trouble connecting a mobile, just make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there. And it's got Bluetooth on. So in order to delete a mobile, just navigate down to Bluetooth devices using these 4 arrows, select Bluetooth devices. You'll see there it's already selected my phone's at the top, so Barry's iPhone, and then it's got add, delete or connect. Now the add, delete and connect corresponds to these 4 buttons here. That's delete. Now if it, say for instance I wanted to knock John's phone off, I just navigate down there, and as you can see, once you've highlighted the phone you've got the same instructions, but it's mine I want to delete. So there you go. So add or delete, click delete, delete Barry's iPhone, and you've got yes there and no there. If you've made a mistake, Barry's iPhone deleted, that's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system, the sync system, in this 2016 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, switch on there, and then we're watching at the bottom. So here we can either go to telephone, in fact we'll do it with the telephone way, so just phone, you've got Bluetooth devices there, searching for past paired phones. Well, there's nothing paired in here, so then you've got the option of add, Bluetooth or close. We want add, click add there. So we're looking for sync. Sync's come up at the bottom. Select sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
The pin there is 154778, so it is the same. We'll click select there, and also yes there or no there. It's yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Pairing successful. So once that has disappeared,
for your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
so that's it connected. It's asking me there, do you want to set Barry's iPhone as the Bluetooth, the favourite Bluetooth phone? Just means if there's 2 of you get in, it'll select your phone if both the phones are in the menu there. So another great thing, I'll just show you how to stream audio in this 2016 Transit. If we go to if we go to iTunes, we'll just select that record. At the bottom there you'll see sync. There's a triangle. It used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 red circles. But if you just click on it, you'll see there you've got the choice of iPhone or sync. Sync is selected. I'll turn this down, go back to the tune, and then we select auxiliary. Now you may have to press it a couple of times because you've also got auxiliary in and USB in. So for instance, if it's on USB, there you go, play music from device, that's auxiliary in. So if it comes up on that, we'd have to click it again, connect to USB, click it again, and then it's come up on Bluetooth, which is mine. So if I turn this up here, and then every time I run, yeah, I keep forward. So there you go. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. It's just for information purposes, and I'm not playing music. So that's it. That's how you stream audio. It's a great system in here.